From scent formula to bottled bliss. Here's how a perfume is built in a factory. Start with the formula. Top notes, middle notes, base notes, balanced by the perfumer. Step 1. Sourcing. High-quality natural oils arrive. Synthetic oils arrive. All oils are checked for purity. Step 2. Blending. Precise scales measure each oil. They're added into stainless tanks, following the recipe to the gram. Step 3. Dilution. Ethanol is added. A carrier is added to reach the desired concentration, then mixed for uniformity. Step 4. Maceration. The blend rests so molecules marry. Maceration time varies by formula. Step 5. Filtration. Particles are removed for clarity. QC samples are tested for scent and stability. Step 6. Filling. Automated lines fill bottles. Machines cap bottles. Machines label bottles. Final step. Packaging. Then shipment to retailers. Your scent is ready to hit shelves. Quick, precise, repeatable. That's factory perfume.